Tala for love and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today's video is all about Siva Afi. We had three Siva Afi events in 1 week, and we wanted to share them all with you. Enjoy! Our first Siva Afi event was with Melbourne Museum. Logan is a culture change maker, and he started to film part of his project with the Melbourne Museum, and he had to record the same performance at least 4 or 5 times so that he could get the project, enough footage for the project. So the project will be coming out at Melbourne Museum in the next couple of months, so make sure to look out for that. Our second Siva Afi event for the week was the Letene Siva Afi workshop. Letene has done amazing things in Melbourne, not only with Pacifica dancing, but also with Siva Afi. She brings a lot of different Siva Afi performers to help teach programs here in Melbourne, and Logan has been blessed to have been able to participate. This workshop, Justice from Sydney was able to come down and teach, and some of our students from Measina Siva Afi were also able to participate. So enjoy! The third Siva Afi event for the week was the Multicultural Art Victoria block party. Um, Logan was holding Siva Afi workshops throughout the day. It was a really hot day, so it was about in its 30s, close to 40, but it was a beautiful time. We got to share Siva Afi with the community. We got to listen to some good music. We got to meet Measina Gray, an MP, Samoan MP in Victoria. So it was wonderful. Enjoy the rest of our footage.
The place where we all depend on the lottery from. The place where the water is poor quality. I've been to the lost, what it do, still a ghost. Where you from? The place where the government owns the property from. The place where we all depend on the lottery from. The place where the water is poor quality. I've been to the lost, what it do, still a ghost. Out of the west side of the hottest city on the side of the earth. Wait, all of the west tried never recognized. Yeah, we know how it works. Wait, out of the dirt. Hey, Bird City on the back of my shirt. Hey, you know the city where we play. I'll be repping the 3K. Hey. The number one for 25 like a big city. Grandmama praying for me every single night. I never miss a beat. Being true about a postcode, cause I know those niggas really do make things. The government watching you say things, cause they really want the same thing. They want us to steal from each other, kill one another. Yeah, you know what that's about. We gotta heal one another, build for each other, find another way around. We gotta try and find another route. Taking our own way, burn it down. Bringing that blue chain to a butane or a propane tank black. Who really starting the wars? But who really answer the calls? I say enough is enough. Who really setting the course? Who really making the way for the independent when nobody is letting you get up in it? Man, you gotta be willing to be a villain, so you ready to kill it and kill it. We killing, we killing, we killing me. Wait, man, I'm already sitting with the grace. Man, I'm already stacking up a plate. No, we ain't never stepping on the brakes. Man, if you knew the city where I was born, if you knew the way that I put up on, you would know why I'm up in the game. Ain't even play. What does we say? Where you from? The place where the government owns the property from. The place where we all depend on the lottery from. The place where the water is poor quality. I've been to the lost, what it do, still a boss. Where you from? The place where